I'm a good family, my good family, my good family. Family, I say your work, brother. Big up yourself, man. But I say your work, brother. No, man, you know, I have a tree and them man, they rest of man in the work, so. No, man, everything good, man. Me alright, man. Bless up yourself still, see?
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by Bergs, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
What's up, beautiful people? It's here, it's truly 876 by Bergs, as you just heard in the intro. And right now we are going for a little well, Moody says a long video and it's really that short. Right now we're actually there on High 95 in a Portmore, and we are head to the 3 miles area. Alright? Yeah, so we're going to 3 miles area right there, so. And that's the journey I'm going to take with today. See it? Yeah, and as we speak, one car at the back of me and drive like him mad. He want to overtake me. You soon see him go around me. Soon as the road clear in front of me, I'm going to go around. I'm going to go on the most way. Watch a bike police here coming. I'm try come around again. Alright, if this is a bike. I'm going to go hold on a little bit. Because see there, car come in front of me. And every time I say it, so I need to set up the back, the rear cam, you know. I need to set up the rear cam so they can see around it too, you know. Just because sometimes they act ridiculous when them drive back here, sometimes them drive down by you. Me I think them go away. But anyway, you know see the road this in Jamaica, you have to look at road swine them. Yeah, because them pass hog stage and swine them beat up. Yeah, but you know you have to look at road swine them, you see it? So yeah, my people. Good day. I just want to shout out each and everyone, all the new viewers them, the person them were new to the channel. I just want to say, yo, big up on yourself, my people. You understand? Welcome to the family. Yeah, over here, so what is positive vibes over here, so greatness, good things, everything that's good over here, so people. Trust me, you understand? Yeah, that's go on over here, so you see me? You can free for comment anything you want to comment. You get what me I say? Just be yourself, but just be respectful. That's just it. Be respectful. Be yourself and be respectful, alright? Right now, I want to say a special shout out to the silent viewers, the silent watchers them. Yeah. So them they are the people them will watch every video. You understand? And them laugh when me talk my little foolishness them. You get me? But them no comment. Them no comment at all. We don't know why they're afraid to comment. But here I say everybody is different. You understand? Some people want to take time off for me good up because I don't know, you know. I know for you. Some people want to take the time out for big one up. Yeah, man. Special shout outs to Uno. Big up on yourself. Any one of them. I don't know which one of them because they don't comment and tell me. You see me? But any one of them. If you're in Jamaica, big up on yourself. If you're overseas, in a white man country, big up on yourself. You understand? Yeah, just continue to do the right thing on do. Yeah. Put in the work and thing and thing. You get what I say? Big up on yourself. Hear me I say, man? Me I take the time for big one up because we know enough for uno. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself, alright? From time to time I get like a one comment from people who say, oh, you know me I watch from such and such a time, but me never really comment. This is my first comment and all of them something they hear. wait for the rest of you to fall in line and do the right thing to and just drop on one comment, you know? So, big up on yourself. I see something up here, so I don't too sure what go on. I really not sure. Let's see when we get up there, we'll see what go on. See it? Yeah, look like police officers up here and all of these things. I'm not too sure what them up to, but yeah. Don't know whether maybe it's a little sting them a set, you know? It's a little sting them a set, yeah. Capture some people. People, let me tell you what it is now. So, I knew police them. They good as still their training school. Then bring them out on the road, make them test the water. So that a go on. Yeah, man. Me look over there, uniform them too clean and crisp. Them just get them the people, and new police them. So them bring them out. They might have one assessment, you know, one test. So them bring them out on the road for, you know, whatever. So, yeah, man, that a go on. Ain't nothing too serious, you know. Them still a check documents and things still, cause we say, you know, it probably is how we call it. OJT and the job training. Yeah, maybe that a go on out there, understand? So, yeah, man, whole heap of police around them. Whole heap of police them. But them uniform look crisp and new, so I know say a new police them. Them boy they just left school and still there at school. You understand? Yeah. But me I go back to the silent watchers them. Yeah, man, silent viewers them. Big up on yourself, people. Big up on yourself. See? Big up on yourself. Drop on the first comment and make me get for, you know, go now one shout out and thing. I don't necessarily have to call you no name. I can just say big up such and such from over there so around there. So you understand? So anyway there. In the Caribbean islands, big up yourself. St. Martin, anywhere there. Antigua, Barbuda, anywhere in the Caribbean you want there. You see what I say? Yeah. Anywhere in the Caribbean there. Big up yourself. Anyway, in America, say whether North America, South America, Central America, Mexico, you get me? I say anyway, there, big up yourself. I want everybody I watch from San Andreas. Yeah, San Andreas, more come over there so one at a time still now. Yeah, people, if you check out San Andreas, go on YouTube, search for San Andreas. The island, it off the coast of Colombia, and it close to, I think, Nicaragua and Colombia. I think they say they close to. Alright? Beautiful place, people. The water nice. The water remind me of the water where they are like Antigua. Yeah. Pretty blue. Like what them call it turquoise. Yeah, people. Trust me. So I'm gonna go over this one at a time. So, silent watchers, big up on yourself. Yeah, see man back at me where did I drive like a hog. But I guess he does circle himself, can see all the police, he probably get, you know? Yeah. Try to catch a lighter people, because the lighter long, you know. Alright, it a change power. We don't force it. It a change power. You see me? So I say, yeah man, I'm a good family. Family, I say you work, brother. Big up yourself, man. What I say you work, brother? No, man, you know, I have a tree and them man, the rest of man in the work, so. No man, everything good, man. Me alright, man. Bless up yourself still, see? Yeah. What go on? I know, we don't want to care now still for boss. But big up. Yeah, man has a family. Yeah. Yeah, man, the man just run down for me and wipe my glass. Like I say, normally, you know, signal my first man, you know, just run down so I want white glass. Like that. Normally, man, them signal your first man and say, Ray. You understand? Him just run down. And I scrub off the glass like that. I mean, no work so people. I don't say work. You get what I say? No sight, no work the way there, brother. It no work so my lad. A man has a respect do his thing, brother. You see me? Yeah. Then him not aggressive. Them man not aggressive like half a tree man them. And them is a man they wear white glass. And them man they still ask your permission. You see me I say? Yeah. I just run down and wet up my glass. Anyways, yeah, we don't have that stuff for broken vibes. You know what I say? We are on a little journey right now, yeah. So yeah. Silent watchers, big up for yourself. So like this is what time up, take a big one up. I'm want to comment. Yeah, but I want to comment, man. But big up on yourself, man. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, man. And I big up Peter Johnson, you know. Yeah, man. I big up Peter Johnson. Yeah, man. I say Peter Johnson, big up yourself. Yeah, Peter Johnson, give me a little small token to my PayPal what here. Yeah, man. I have to dig him up for that. Man, as I respect my boss, remember, I never get nothing for put on in a break. So I just want, you know, show my gratitude. You understand? And say, yo, respect every time. You get me? Yeah, man. Manners and respect always, brother. Bless up yourself. You understand? Yeah, my G. Alright. Some regular people them now. What I deal with? My regular people them from out of Florida. My regular people them from out of Canada. My regular people them from out of UK. What I deal with my Cayman family. What I deal with? Yeah, people them from out of Cyprus. Yeah, man, some English people there, man, they're in between. You know? Africa one part round there, so. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, man. You get what me I say? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself every time. You understand? I hope the new year start off great food now. I hope everything nice. Rika! Oh my God, what's cooking? What go Rika? How the cold there up in Canada? Eh? Pull a bus your shot. Why, I wish I could have sent some of the warm weather you come here away. But not tell a lie, because look, they look in front of it. I tell you, hot sunshine right now. Yo, the weather is just superb right now. The weather is outstanding. Yeah. Great weather we have right now, me I tell you, man. You see it? So I hope you stay warm, my friend Rika. You don't know. Yeah, man. Go and put in the work and thing and earn up a little vacation days, them, you know? Yeah, man. So you can run come to Jamaica, soak up some of the sunshine, you know, and thaw out your little body. You understand? Yeah, man. Bless up yourself, man. You get me? Yeah. Yeah, man. And we have to another shout out to Blessing in the UK. Yeah. yes, you Miss Williams. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, man. Enough love goes out, man. You know it thing go already, man. You understand? Yeah. I know you miss Jamaica, you know. Yeah, man. I know you miss Jamaica. Bad. But don't worry yourself, man. I know you're gonna run in real soon, yeah? Yeah, man. I know you're gonna run in real soon, man. Yeah, man. I know you're gonna run in real soon. Just stay warm over there in the UK. Boy, I don't know if I could live in UK still, you know? Nah, I don't know, boy. Gloomy and... I don't know. I don't know. I tell you the truth. UK gloomy. Oh, by the way, people, we're on Mandela Highway. Well, we're about to come off now still, but it's a Mandela Highway, alright? Yeah, first was I-95, then we turned on this Mandela Highway. Alright? Yeah. But yeah, Miss Williams. I don't know if we could live in UK still. I probably visit, but the live thing, boy, shout out to me UK people. I'm not telling a lie. Like, trust me, the gloominess and the rainfall and the nasty sunshine for how much in weeks and... No, sir. I don't think I can manage that. I'm not telling you no lie. You get me? Yo, you're strong. Big up on yourself. You get me? I tell you, big up on yourself, man. Like, a matter of fact, like everybody overseas. Yo, big up on yourself. Man, I just drive out. But yeah, big up on yourself, man. People from overseas, man. Just go and put in the work and do the right thing, you know? Yeah, man. Put in the work and thing, man. And when you get to no vacation days, them going, you come to Jamaica, come full joy on yourself. Alright? Yeah, nobody afraid of them something there about crime and ray. You understand? But I worry on yourself, man. You're protected by the Almighty. So, just do the thing and be smart when you come here and full joy on yourself. You go a river, go a beach, cook some food, some yam and then sit there and rent a yam. You don't like renter? Yeah, man. Cook up some nice renter yam, man, and them little thing, them, man. You get what I say? Yeah, man. And come a yard, yeah, man. Come full joy on yourself, man. You get me? Yeah. People, I hope the sunlight not too bad, you know. I hope it not too bare down in the lens, because you know it can show off the video a little bit, you know. So I hope so. If it is happening, I apologize, alright? Yeah. Right now, currently on Spanish Town Road. But yeah, back to the conversation. As I say, people, come a yard, yeah, man. Come full joy on yourself, man. You get me? Yeah, go a river. Go river, go something there, go swim on them something there, man. Man, then I chuck back. This look like him a carry one marble slab or something. Yeah. I don't know, maybe I have to counter top or something like that, you get me? Yeah. Yeah, man. So yeah, come on here, come full joy on yourself, man. Eat piece of yam, man. You know, piece of cocoa and then sitting the banana, chocho. Last one I eat piece of chocho. Yeah, you know, now boil soup, when you see chocho and then sitting there. And normally too, you know, people say, you know, when they never have nothing, they see chocho and butter and then something there. You understand? Yeah. You know what I think of people? And them things they make we who we are right now. You get me? Or who we is. You get me? Yeah, and them things they, them little pressures they in life and them little things that we have to endure. Yeah. Strength now I make you know say when we're in a people country we just work for things. You know? Yeah. You know what I say, come on, so if you live abroad, man, just as me say, run up a vacation days are running. You know? Come full joy some of the nice weather what we have on the beach, them and them little things there. You see me? Yeah, man. And Sir Colin, big up yourself too, you know. Yeah, you and the wife, you know. Yeah, man. Bless up, man, always, man. You understand? Yeah. People on the west coast in America, they, you know, California side, them side, they understand? Yeah. Yeah, man. Washington State and, you know, them people, they bless up on yourself, man. Yeah. You get me? Yeah, man. And people, guess what? We almost reach a 3 mile, you know. Yeah, people, we almost reach a 3 mile. Almost reaching like 3 miles here, people. So then so we have a hold on. Yeah, big unit them, you know. So we have a thing with them called overpass. Basically just a bridge. So 2 bridge. One we take it from Garbage Drive carry up and the one we carry along Spanish Town Road, alright? Yeah, we have them 2 bridge there. You know? Them they constructed when they redo the whole 3 miles area. Them put them up. Kinda make the traffic flow a little bit smoother. Yeah. And I think it work, yeah. Because sometimes when the traffic, you know, heavy and thing it kinda, yeah, cause I know the 3 miles intersection they down there, so stoplight and railway if you bring you down on Spanish Town Road or if you carry you up Hagley Park Road or so, you understand? So yeah. We're gonna drive underneath the bridge right now too. We're gonna take it under the bridge. Yeah. Take it under the bridge under this. A long time I don't really drive under the bridge, so I go down there. So you know around there so I can carry go around a water house, my people. You get what I say? Yeah. So yeah, my people, as me saying at the beginning, I appreciate you know, you don't know, you see me? Continue to click like on the video them, you understand? Yeah. Continue to share them. Like what do you mean I check my stats and I realize that people actually share the video, like people are sending it to people on WhatsApp and them some there. You get me? I say, yo, I never know say you not do that. Like I know I watch a video them and thing, but I never know you really share it. Like so continue people I share it. Continue to share the video. You get what I say? Yeah man, I'ma give thanks man. I really appreciate you know. You see me? So continue to do what you do people. I appreciate you know 100%. You see me? Yeah, continue to like, continue to share. Who they are watching and not subscribe, can just click that subscribe button there. You see me? If you always watch my thing and you never subscribe, click the subscribe button. Go check it, make sure say you want to subscribe. You get me? Yeah. The people them wherever comment, just continue to do that comment something they call you know say in our comment section we will a reason. You get me? So just continue to do the thing, you understand? Yeah man, you know the thing go man. You see me? Just continue to show me the love and the support you wanna been a show me from them time there, alright? Yeah man, you know the thing go man, 876 by bird people. And where they are 3 mile, where they under the bridge, you can't see the man them. You can't see the man them. I'm good family. I'm good. No, I don't have no money brother, I'm good man. But I waste of time man, I'm light green. Bless up, yeah. Yeah people, so I want white, but I don't have no money right now, need that to people, you see me? Yeah. Them money a signal me. All of them signal me quick. The man up on the side there, so before him run out, him signal me. You see me? So them thing them here talk about. You just come spray your water. Show me say, yo, I want wipe the glass, you see me? Yeah. Show me them thing there, nobody go like a scuminar, you understand? So yeah, man. So as me I say, people, we're about to end the video right there, so you don't know. Bless up on yourself. 876 by Bert as usual, alright? Big up.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.